a dress of color, a dream of art. I drew a design on your fabric, colorful dream I ran on your body. See on your sleeve, a fish on your lap.
Wildflowers on the folds of your hands. Every draped wrinkle holds our plans. The sun on your shoulder paints the day, patterns that guide our wild-hearted play. Chase the wind in your woven dreams, threads that bind my sprawling schemes. Fabric whispers in the twilight glow. In your dress, the world we know. Use the wind in your woven dreams, threads that bind my sprawling schemes. Fabric whispers in the twilight glow. In your dress, the world we know. Hues blend like magic in the night, stars stitched in your eyes so bright. Interweaving tales of love and time, canvas of you, my endless rhyme. Mountains rest upon your back, forest green on a velvet track. A tapestry of places we've been. Your dress telling stories from within. Chase the wind in your woven dreams, threads that bind my sprawling schemes. Fabric whispers in the twilight glow. In your dress, the world we know. With every pen love I write, tracing stars through the night, chasing whispers soft and light. Green dream takes its flight, rays from the sun paint our view. Raindrops dance in colors new. Love we write forever true, in dreams where skies are blue. Fabric of dreams we design, each stitch a moment of time. Sun's warmth makes it sublime, in dreams where skies are blue. Fabric of dreams we design, each stitch a moment of time. Sun's warmth makes it sublime, rain's kiss a lovely rhyme. In the fields our hearts take wing, harmony in everything. Nature's choir begins to sing, through our dreams we breathe. Ink flows like rivers so deep, secrets our hearts long to keep.